Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youthman. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the miniDSP UMIK-1 Calibration microphone. Now before we get into the video, if you're into home theater, audio, and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Now, I ordered the UMIK-1 microphone off Amazon just a few days ago. Love me some Amazon Prime. I want to be able to use it to find out what's going on with my room when I play a subwoofer, to find out, are there any peaks, are there any nulls? There's all types of things that you can use the microphone to set up your room and to help you configure your room properly. Now, if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I've been reviewing the SVS SB16 Ultra subwoofers. Now, built into the subwoofers, they have the ability to make some adjustments through what is known as a PEQ, or a parametric EQ. What this allows me to do is use the microphone, connect it to a laptop computer, and use some software such as REW, which is Room EQ Wizard, to analyze the room. That software will then tell me some things like maybe there's some peaks or maybe there's some nulls in my room, and I can use the software and the microphone as well as the PEQ inside the subwoofers to be able to make some adjustments, to make corrections in the areas of my room that are troublesome. So I'm really excited to use this and figure out how to set it up. Unfortunately, I've never used one of these and I've never used REW, but I have some friends that are going to help me along the way. They've been using REW for several years, and so I'm hoping that they can give me some great advice on how to set it up properly and how to use it to help better the sound here in my home theater. Well, with that said, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. See what we have. So inside, there's our USB microphone. Let's go ahead and pull that out. So you can see right here is where we'll plug in the USB cable. Lay that aside. Right here, this little windscreen that you put on the end, just like that. Underneath that, we've got our USB cable, clip that we can hook onto a tripod, as well as a small tripod stand. Alright guys, so there you have the unboxing of the miniDSP UMIK-1 calibration microphone. So I'm really looking forward to using this new tool for my testing as I'm reviewing speakers from different manufacturers. And speaking of manufacturers, today I received from Denon their AVR X6400H Dolby Atmos enabled receiver. So I'll be doing a review on that, as well as some setup, unboxing, and configuration. And also today I received from SVS a pair of their PB16 Ultra subwoofers. Now over the next several videos we'll be doing unboxing of that as well, and also I'll be comparing them directly with SVS's SB16. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video and you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. Man, we're gonna be producing some great video content in this theater. Right now I've got the SVS Ultra Towers. We're gonna pair that up with the SB16s as well as the PB16 Ultras and the Ultra Center. We're gonna see how well SVS does and handles for home theater. I'm looking forward to getting the Denon hooked up and set up, as well as in a few days we'll be installing the 4 Klipsch in-ceiling speakers for Dolby Atmos. So if you've been thinking about purchasing a UMIK-1 calibration microphone for your home theater or 2-channel setup, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can check that out. So I hope you'll come along with me through my journey into the immersive formats like Dolby Atmos and Aura 3D. And the best way to do that is hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you'll be notified as soon as those videos are uploaded. Well guys, hope you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next video.